Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Sam. Sam was a happy and active child. Every morning, Sam woke up early when the sun smiled through his window. He brushed his teeth, washed his face, and said good morning to his parents. Then he ate a healthy breakfast with milk and fruits. After breakfast, Sam wore his school uniform and packed his bag. His mother kissed him goodbye, and Sam went to school happily. At school, Sam listened to his teacher, read books, and wrote neatly in his notebook. During the break time, he played with his friends and shared his snacks. When school ended, Sam came back home. He washed his hands and ate lunch. Then he rested for a short time and did his homework carefully. In the evening, Sam went outside to play. He ran, laughed, and enjoyed the fresh air. After playtime, he took a bath and helped his parents at home. At night, Sam ate dinner with his family and talked about his day. His mother read him a short story. Sam said his prayers, went to bed, and slept peacefully. Sam loved his daily routine because it made him healthy, happy, and smart like me.